This highly profitable online money method will allow you to get paid like this every hour. All you need to do is to click on one ad, watch it until the end, and collect your earnings. For this method you just need your smartphone or your computer device with internet access. Also, this method is available worldwide, and it is 100% free. So you can start earning amounts like these every few minutes, and you can get paid through different payment methods such as Perfect Money, Payer, AirTM, and Faucet Pay. Now, let me show you how you can do this. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called attaining. You can find the links of all the websites that we will use in this video down below in the description, so feel free to go to the description and save some time. This is a website where you can start earning money just by watching ads, but this is not as simple as you probably think it is, so make sure to follow my every step to set everything right. As you can see, here it says, earn extra cash from your online activities. You can earn money from high-paying surveys, completing offers, referring others, several contests, pay to promote programs, task bonus, and many other earning methods that includes watching ads. This website is online, and they started paying their users in March 2020, so it has been a few years since they started with this journey. When you take a look just below, you can see that they have some ways how you can cash out your earnings. There are Perfect Money, Payer, AirTM, and Faucet Pay, exactly as we mentioned before. When you scroll down you can find a lot more information about this website, but we will skip this part, and let me show you this. This website has over 300,000 total members. They have over 73 million of total ads visualizations. On this website were over 90,000 completed offers, and this website paid out over $23,000 to his members and users. This is just great proof that this website works well, and that it is 100% transparent. But now, to see more proofs here, I will show you this page where you can see payment proofs from this website. Here you can see earnings that their users are earning every moment. Here you can see the highest one earning ever on this website. It was earned by this user, and it was around $1,000, which is insane money for just one ad that you watch on this website. You can see that their users are earning money every moment, and they are cashing out their earnings through different services, but I think that most of them are using Payer. Now, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. Now, to start earning money with this website you need to come over to their homepage. Here you need to take a look at this menu in the top right corner. There you will be able to see this button that says register, and you need to click on that. It will then take you to this registration page where you need to fill out these details in order to make an absolutely free account on this website. Here you need to enter your full name, then your unique username, then your email with its confirmation, and your password with its confirmation. After that you need to enter your birth year right here, and then you need to enter your birthplace. Now, when we are talking about birthplace, leave a comment down below, and tell me from which country you are. You will help me because I will be able to make more money-making methods that will be available in your country. Now, when you finish with all of these information, you need to solve this CAPTCHA to confirm that you are not a robot. After that, you need to check this box to agree to their terms of service and their rules. Then you can simply click on this register button. Congratulations, you have successfully created your brand new account on this website. When you log in, you will be able to see your dashboard that will look like this. Here you can see a lot of information, but I will show you step by step what you need to do in order to start earning money just by watching ads. Before I start with an example, just a reminder that I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings through this video, so make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Now, when you are here on your dashboard, you need to take a look at this menu in the top right corner. Here you need to click on this Earn Money button, and then you need to click here on View Advertisement. It will then start showing advertisements to you. Now, here is the first bonus tip that will help you a lot. When you are here at the advertisement page, you need to scroll down and up just to do some activity. In that way, you will not be shown as a bot in the system, and this website will pay you a few times more than if you just wait for this line to go until the end to finish the time that you need to wait. This is the mistake that a lot of people make. They are just sitting around and waiting until the end, instead of looking at this website and scrolling through it. show you another website where you can make money just by watching ads as well. The second website is called AdWallet. You have the link to this website in the description of this video. As you can see, here it says, brands want your attention. Make them buy it. Get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. Plus unlock exclusive offers. When you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see this. There are 3 things that you need to know before you start with this, and this will explain to you in short how it works. First, you need to watch a video. You will receive a text when it's time to log in and watch a short video that they prepare for you. Then you will be rewarded and you will earn from 50 cents up to $3 per video ad you watch. They also have a referral program which will help you to earn $1 per every friend or every person who signs up on this website through your referral link. Once you reach $10, you will be able to cash out your earnings to PayPal or any other service that you choose. Now, to start with this website, you need to click on sign up and create an absolutely free account. Or you can simply go to Google Play Store and download their app from there. After that, they will start sending notifications to you when they have videos ready for you. Now, this is not the only way you can earn money with these websites. This website called attaining has a very good referral program. I will show you now one traffic source where you can share your link, and then you can get thousands of referrals every day. You can see your referral link when you go to your dashboard. Then you need to click on this button that says affiliate banners. Here you can see your referral link. You can simply copy this link for now. Now, the website where you can share your link, and you can get thousands of referrals from is called Dime Forum. Again, all the links that you will need for this method are down below in the description, so make sure to visit the description and save some time. This website is an online forum where people are sharing their opinions, reasons, and ways to make money online every day. This website has over 100,000 monthly visitors, so you can make a good amount of referrals out of them. You just need to publish a post on this forum, where you need to write about a new way to make money online that you have found which works perfectly for you, and all you need to do is to click on some ads and watch them. After you describe the website, you need to put your referral link under that and recommend them to try it. And after just a couple of days, you will be able to get over 1,000 referrals just from this website, but you can do this at many different websites. On Google, you need to search for a Make Money online forum. Google will then show you a lot of Make Money online forums where you can just copy and paste the same post that you posted on the previous website, and you can get a lot more referrals from more websites, of course. And that is how you can earn money just by watching ads online. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. See you in the next video.